Bonsoir, bon appetit. I am going to show you a trick that is going to deliver immense flavor to poultry, to lamb, to meats, fish, vegetables, potatoes, zucchinis. Oh my gosh, it's an endless possibility and perfect for grilling. And what we're going to do is we're going to infuse the zèle de Provence, which is an herb from the south of France, and it's a mixture of different herbs, and with olive oil. Now we're going to use sauteing olive oil, which means it's just regular olive oil. You do not want to use extra virgin or virgin olive oil because the burn point is lower. We want it to be able to withstand more heat. What you're going to need is a cup of zèle de Provence, half a cup, excuse me, of zèle de Provence. You can use any bottle. This is actually a bottle rosé that I kept, and this one too. And I just cleaned it out, and I use it for these purposes. So this is so simple. And what I do is I keep two bottles. If I can open this, I keep two bottles so that I can rotate it, because it's going to take basically 30 days for it to, there we go. Oh, that was untied. 30 days for it to infuse properly, and you're going to keep it in a cool place. So what I do is I put one bottle away, and usually about a month and a half, I go through it, and if you can see how the herbs are there. So I just basically take a funnel, put it in here, and I just dump it right like that, and I tap it, and it'll all drop in there. And we just go ahead and tap all that. And once it's in there, we're going to pour the olive oil. It's really simple. Now, like when you're using this, and it's actually been 30 days, and trust me, it's worth the wait. And then after that, you can rotate bottles, and you'll always have some ready. And I love to use this for grilling. I love to coat, I just coat the fish, the chicken, or potatoes, and now we can use this again and just easy as pie. Just put that in there. And then we can just grill it. You can marinate it with it. Super easy. Go to my other videos, and I keep promising my subscribers to show you how to do this. So here's my delivery of it. So finally I made this simple video so you guys can make this. But look how simple it is, and you're just going to fill it up. And be careful at the end, not to overdo it. Just a little bit more. And like that. Okay. Now, what we're going to do, and olive oil, by the way, doesn't hurt a butcher's block. It actually treats it. What we're going to do is we're going to seal this like that. I'm going to hold this upside down for a minute, give it a shake. Shake. And now we're just going to put this in a nice, dark, cool place. You don't want it too hot, and you just want a nice dark spot. So inside a pantry is really good. Keep it away from like stoves and stuff like that. If you have a basement, it's perfect to put in a basement, just in a dark, cool place. And we're just going to let this infuse for 30 days. I'll put some links of other videos I've done using this, and it's just wonderful. One I did recently was mackerel on the grill with this, and it was delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like if you like the video, share it. This is easy, super delicious, and the only thing you need is a used bottle of wine, one of these guys, a liquor pourer thingamajigger, and some sauteing olive oil, Zèle de Provence, and you can order the Zèle de Provence online. This is without the lavender flower. For this, I prefer without the lavender flower in it. So check the ingredients. Anyways, but if you use it with lavender flower, it's okay. It's a preference thing. Anyways, bonne soirée, bon appétit.